Hello friends, welcome to Cad Modules. Today we are going to learn how to draw this truck wheel in a Solidworks. As you can see, the dimensions are given. We need to focus on the sectional view. So let's get started. Select new, then select part and click OK. So check that it is in mmgs. We need to work in millimeters only. For drawing, we need to select a top plane, then sketch. Okay, we need to select for a reference. We need to create an axis, x and y axis. So it will be easy. Create on center line, midpoint, and create an x-axis. Okay. Again, select the center line. And midpoint, and then vertical axis. Okay. Select a line. Now draw the sectional view given in the drawing. You can draw roughly now. We can give dimensions later onwards. Okay, I have done half only. We can mirror that. So this gives the dimension from the axis to horizontal plane, that is 11.88. Okay, and from the x-axis to this point it is 13.12. The vertical line it is 13.12. Now from this horizontal to this point it is 16. Okay, now the horizontal line it is 44. Now from this portion to the x-axis it is 60.50, and this portion to this is 66.50. Okay. In between, from the vertical axis it is 10. Sorry, it is 5. Okay, from here it is 17. Okay, so select all the lines and select mirror and choose the vertical axis, and it is done. Select a line, join the uppermost line or lowermost line, delete it from the lowermost line. Okay, 17 we need to give again the distance 66.50. That's okay. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Select row, features, revolve base, axis, this is x-axis we need to select. Okay, so our 3D model is somewhat ready. Now we need to give a fillet. Select a fillet and 3 mm radius of fillet. we need to select one by one the edges which is to be filleted. Select all edges. You can select either the face also, which can eventually select all the edges. Now click on OK. Okay. Now we have to create a holes. For hole, select right plane and sketch. For reference, we need to create a circle of 86 diameter. Select a circle, draw 86, give the dimension 86, click on it and convert to it for construction use only. Okay. Now select a circle, choose a quadrant point of that reference circle and draw a circle. It will be of 22 diameter. Okay. Now go to features, extrude cut and select through all, both sides. Click on OK. Now we have to give the fillet. For this, select fillet and select the inner cylindrical face. It will fillet the both of the edges. Give 2 mm radius or click OK. Okay, we have got our first hole. Select circular pattern, then select 360 degree, equal spacing. We need to give the axis and select the cylinder and fillet both, so we can pattern it. Show the axis and click on OK. So here our truck wheel is ready. You can note that this is only done by the section view. If you can see section, you can go to section, click OK and look this surface. The sketch we need to focus on that is this only. The whole drawing is based on this sketch only. So this is the main function of revolve base. Thank you for watching.